What's good, gang? We over at Pop Shop right now. He got the C7 Vet. Salvage title, Pops. Salvage title on this thing right now. Debating. Think your boy should cop a C7 and rebuild this thing up? Either way, let's take a look at it. So obviously front bumper need to be sprayed. Bit of a gap happening here. That's all right. Work our way inside. Bad boy got 37,000 miles on it. Let's get the cold start rocking. Y'all know how that is. All right, so we gotta actually jump this thing. It ain't been started in a while now. So let's go ahead and jump this thing up and let's see what it's looking like. It's right here in the trunk. All the parts in here that this thing needs to get back on the road. We gotta jump this thing up. So the battery right here in the trunk. So we're gonna go ahead and grab a jump pack real quick, jump this thing up, and let's see what it sounds like. Oh man, you already know that cold start gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy. This thing ain't been started up in a while. It's not gonna be straight V8 popping, boy. This thing sound crazy. I swear this video is not doing it justice. I don't know, it's the LT1 engines. These things are crazy. So I had a fender bender up front. That's what caused this thing to end up getting salvaged. I think it had a couple airbags that popped off. That's what caused everything to happen. Needs a new seat belt, but there is a new seat belt in the trunk right now. As of right now, this thing is pretty much almost ready to go. Super sweet, super cool car. Honestly, something about those Vets, everyone loves them. It's like the American dream car, you know what I mean? Like, you know you worked hard your whole life, finally get yourself a Vet. Yo, put it down in the comment section below if you think your boy should hop into that C7 over there, fix it up, put that on the channel, record the whole thing, and hop in the C7 Vet. That might be something cool to do on the channel. Let me know. Put it in the comment section. You think your boy should get one of those. All right, gang. So now we about to head over to this one little car meet that's going on. It's over at this local little park that we got. So it's going to be some cars showing up, but it's probably not going to be as much. This is now and the next day. Some rain is happening, but me and Shorty both going to ride out there together. So let's peep her whip. Go Shorty back there. Ooh. Let's get ready to slide out. All right, so we met up with Andy. Right now we cruising over to the meet. We got Shorty right behind me. Man, those headlights look good. And then after that, behind her, we got Andy there. So we're gonna cruise out there. Hopefully we got something good that shows up there, but you never know. It's some rainy day, so you never know what might show up. All right, gang, so I'm out here with my boy Will right now. Will just hooked me up, so we about to try out this OBD11. We're gonna see what the timing chain looking like, so he about to pull it up right now. We're gonna see what that's like. All right, bro, so we just pulled it up. It's channel 93, and it's saying negative 6.65, right?
Yep.
Bro.
Should be between 4 and negative 4.
That shit ain't gonna last, bro. This thing might be out of pocket pretty soon here, especially with what we pushing out of this thing now. I appreciate you, bro.
Yeah.
I appreciate you. We got to cut this one short. My homeboy lost someone special to him and his family, so we got to slide over there. We got to do that, and we got to, you know, it's just a sad thing. So if you got a loved one in your life, make sure to give them a hug, a kiss. Tell them you love them. Reach out to families. That's aunts, uncles, grandparents right now. It's just a sad thing. He was really close with them. So anyways, I'm about to slide over there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you was able to see something cool in this video. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Make sure to hit that like button, the subscribe button down below. It's your boy. We sign out with another one. Peace. All right, squad. So now we about to get ready to slide out to this show. It's supposed to be a big show. It's at this Cars and Boba's little car meet thing going on today. Cars all cleaned up. So now we about to get ready to slide out here. Let's get the cold start popping. All right, so it wasn't fully cold start. However, it does sound good. Every time you spark that thing up, you already know what I'm talking about. Anyways, let's slide over to this meet. We got me, Shorty, and the kids. We all about to slide out here. So should be a good day, great weather, hopefully a good turnout. It's like 300 people said that they going. About 1,000 people plus said that they're interested in this. Hopefully there's room for us to park. You excited for the car show?
Yeah.
All right, let's do this. Back at the crib right now, bro. It is hot out here right now. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed some of the cool stuff we got to see today. I try to show you guys just some cool things that really stood out to me. Wasn't as crazy turnout as I was hoping to be, but it was the first one of the season, so hopefully we get some crazier things that come out later in the season. I'm gonna make sure I keep you guys stayed in tuned on that and try to get some more footage as we move along. Still trying to learn this device here. Anyways, it's your boy. We sign out with another one. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe button down below. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Okay, what's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough, I know. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months.